This entire list is Nerf, but it's not 5 versions of the same thing. These 5 actually shoot 3 different types of ammo: foam darts, hard rival rounds, and Gelfire gel balls, each with real differences in impact and age recommendations worth knowing before you buy for a kid specifically. New to Unbox Daily? We cover toys and gear honestly, including real safety considerations, not just fun factor. Subscribe if that's useful. Worth being clear up front. This shoots water-absorbing gel balls, a completely different ammo type from the foam darts and hard rounds elsewhere on this list. And gel-based blasters carry their own age recommendations and regional restrictions worth checking before buying, especially for younger kids. That said, the appeal is real. High capacity and rapid fire capability that feels noticeably different from foam dart blasters, closer to the feel of competitive gel ball games than casual backyard Nerf battles. Build quality feels solid, and the rapid fire mechanism handles sustained use without frequent jamming. This is the most specialized ammo type on this list, and if you're not prepared for gel ball cleanup and the different mess profile compared to foam darts, that's worth knowing before buying. A noticeably different experience. Check age recommendations and gel ball logistics before buying for a kid. Link below. This is standard foam dart Nerf, the most familiar and widely recognized ammo type on this list. And the rotating 6-dart drum is the actual practical advantage here. Faster reload between shots than single dart blasters without needing a full magazine swap. Range and accuracy are solid for the elite line, competitive with other foam dart blasters at this price point. Build quality feels sturdy for regular kid use, handling drops and rough play reasonably well. This is the safest, most broadly age-appropriate ammo type on this entire list. Foam darts are the Nerf standard for a real reason. For anyone wanting classic, widely compatible Nerf play without specialized ammo logistics, this is a dependable, familiar pick. Classic foam dart Nerf, the most broadly age-appropriate option here. Link below. The rival line uses hard foam rounds, not standard elite darts, and that's a real, meaningful difference. Rival rounds travel at noticeably higher velocity than typical foam darts, which is exactly why Nerf markets the rival line toward older kids and adults specifically rather than younger children. Accuracy and range are noticeably impressive as a direct result of that higher velocity, a real step up from elite line performance. Build quality feels premium, solid construction that matches the higher performance ammo. Given the increased impact force, eye protection is worth taking seriously with rival blasters specifically, more so than with standard foam darts. For older kids, teens, or adults who want noticeably competitive feeling performance, this delivers it, just with the added responsibility that comes with it. Higher velocity, higher performance. Take eye protection seriously. Marketed toward older kids and adults. Link below. Back to standard foam darts here. A compact, simpler elite line blaster compared to the rotating drum Commander RD6 above, smaller and lighter, easier for younger kids to handle comfortably. Capacity is lower as a direct trade-off for the compact size. You're reloading more frequently than the 6-round drum above. Build quality feels reasonable for the price and size, and the simpler mechanism means fewer things that can jam or malfunction during play. Range is solid for typical backyard or indoor Nerf battles, standard elite line performance. For anyone specifically shopping for a smaller, younger kid-friendly blaster rather than the larger Commander above, this fits that need well. A smaller, more manageable foam dart blaster, better suited to younger kids than the Commander above. Link below. Also a rival line blaster like the Kronos above, so the same real velocity and age recommendation notes apply here. This shoots hard foam rounds at meaningfully higher speed than elite darts, marketed toward older kids and adults. The actual differentiator compared to the Kronos above is capacity, noticeably higher round count before needing to reload, which matters for sustained rival battles where you don't want to stop and reload constantly. Build quality feels solid and matches the performance-focused rival line generally. Given the higher velocity ammo, the same eye protection consideration from the Kronos above applies here too. For anyone who wants rival-level performance with more rounds before reloading, this is the stronger capacity pick over the Kronos. Higher capacity than the Kronos above. Same eye protection considerations apply to rival line velocity. Link below. If this helped you understand the real ammo differences before buying for a kid, the subscribe button helps a lot. All 5 links and current pricing are below. If you've actually used one of these in regular backyard battles, tell us how the build has held up to real kid use. That matters more than a first week review.